Hello. My name is Ronald Ache, and this is my reading from chapters 0 to 9. As you said, teacher, the people who knows a little bit of English, we don't need to translate. So I'm gonna say it just in English. In English. So we have here chapter 0, learning vocabulary, tips and techniques, guessing meaning from context. Some ICT terms are difficult, but others are universally accepted. You probably know terms like modem, online, chat, email, website, virus, and hacker. They are part of our everyday life. When you meet an unknown word, first try to guess the meaning from the context, the surrounding words, and the situation. Read the text on the right and see how words have meaning in relation to other words. You know that a PC is a type of computer and digital music relates to music on computers. You can guess that are digitizing is a verb because it describes from digit. It is in the form of the present continuous and it goes with the subject families and the object home movies. Words change their shape by adding prefixes and suffixes. For example, we add the prefix inter to net and form internet, and we add the suffix h to a store and form storage. See units 33 and 34. B. Organizing vocabulary. Read the text again. You can organize words in your notebook in different ways. Meaning, how? Definition, lexical families, synonyms, translation. Example, the internet is a global network of computers. Lexical family, digits, root, digital, digitally, digitize, digitizer, digitized. Synonyms, handle, manage, advent, arrival. Translation, storage, almacenamiento, that's Spanish, word class, NV, adjective, etc. Communication, communicate. Word, prefixes, internet, research. Building, suffixes. Information, investment, powerful. Compounds, checkbook, check plus book. Collocations, word partners, phrases, access information, handle tags. Word teas and spidergrams can help you build up your own mental maps of vocabulary areas. You can make diagrams to classify things. We can see here the diagrams. Peripherals, input devices, in example mouse, output devices, in example printer, storage devices, in example hard disk. Z. Using a dictionary. A monolingual dictionary gives you a lot of information about words. Look at this entry. Pronunciation, laptop, computer. US, and then we got the word class, which is a noun. We got the grammar feature, which is C, countable. You can count laptops. Then we got the sample test and the definition. A computer which is small enough to be carried around easily and is designed for use outside an office. A laptop would be really useful for when I'm working at the train. Example, that's the example. So let's go with the exercises. We got here 0.1. Look at the words in the box. Are they nouns, verbs, or adjectives? Okay, yes, now we have it. Look at the words in the box. Are they nouns, verbs, or adjectives? Financial, that's an adjective. Internet, that's a noun. Electronic, that's an adjective. Print, that's a verb. Design, that's a verb. And microchips, that's a noun. We have the 0.2. Read A opposite. Complete this text with words from exercise 1. Use the context to help you. A digital era. Computers have changed the way we do everyday things, such as working, shopping, and looking for information. We design houses with the help of PCs. We buy books or make flights reservation on the internet. We use gadgets that spring to life the instant they are switched on. For example, the mobile phones, the music player, on the car ignition, all of which use microchips. Many people now work at home and they communicate with their office by computer and telephone. This is called teleworking. With the appropriate hardware or software, a PC can do almost anything you ask. It's a magical typewriter that allows you to type and print any sort of document. It's a calculating machine that makes financial calculations. It's a filing cabinet that manages large collection of data. It's a personal communicator that lets you interact with friends. It's a small lab that helps you edit photos and movies. And if you like electronic entertainment, you can also use it to relax with games. Okay, so now 0.4. Organize these words as in be opposite. Meaning definition, we got teleworking, working at home while communicating with your office by computer or telephone. Lexical family, calculate, calculator, calculations, calculating. Synonyms, gadgets, small devices. Translation, switch on, encender. Prefixes, interact. Suffixes, communicator. Compounds, mobile phone, typewriter. And words partners, print a document, make calculations. 0.5. Look at this dictionary entry, put these labels in the correct place. We got data and data, that's the pronunciation. Group noun, that's the grammar feature. And then we got the U, which is the word class. Like this one is uncountable. In this case, you cannot count this definition, this dictionary entry. Then we got the definition, which is the information especially facts or numbers collected for examination and consideration and used to help decision making or information in a electronic form that can be stored and processed by a computer. The data was or were collected by various researchers. Now the data is being transferred from machine tape to hard disk. That's the example sentence in this case. Okay, let's go now with the next chapter.